How to practice Python programming in Cyberdojo. Python is beginner friendly and powerful for coding exercises. From the language drop-down above the editor panel, select Python, choose an exercise, read the instructions in the instructions panel, and write your solutions in Python. Click Run Test to check results and refine your code until all tests passed. Start with simple exercises and gradually move to advanced Python challenges. It helps build confidence and skill. Which Python exercise are you working on first? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can practice Python programming in Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.